Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve some problems which are based on trigonometric values or some problems based on the formula cos of a plus b cos of a minus b sin of a plus b sin of a minus b. So let's have a look at those. Okay, the first question is show that 3 sin pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4 equals to 1. 3 into sine, here in the place of pi I am writing 180 divided by 6 because the given question is in radius form. I am changing it into degree. Secant in the place of pi 180 divided by 3 minus 4 times sine into 5 into 180 divided by 6 times cot 180 divided by 4. Let us do simplification. 6 ones are 6 30s are 3 ones are 3 60s are 6 threes are 6 30s are 4 ones are 4 45s are. So we remains with 3 into sine 30 into secant 60 minus 4 sine into 5 into 30 150 times cot 45 degrees. Sine 30 value we know, secant 60 value we know, cot 45 value we know, but we don't know the value of sine 150. First let us find the value of sine 150. I am doing it aside. Sine 150. So sine 150 I am writing it as 90 plus 60. Here 90 is nothing but 1 into 90, where this 1 is an odd number. So sine will change to cos. So it will become cos 60. Next, 150 degrees, it belongs to the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant sine is positive. So this is also positive. So what is the value of cos 60? So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now in the place of this sine 150, I will substitute 1 by 2. So here 3 as it is, sine 30 1 by 2 into secant 62 minus 4 into sine 150 1 by 2 into cot 45 1. Here 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with 3 minus 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 1 2, so 3 minus 2 1, so hence proved. Okay, let's have a look at the second question. Prove that sine of x plus y divided by sine of x minus y is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. First I am taking this LHS. It is sine of x plus y divided by sine of x minus y, which is equals to, now if we observe the numerator, that is sine of x plus y, we have one formula, sine of x plus y formula. Sine of x plus y is equals to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y whole divided by, in the denominator we have sine of x minus y. So sine of x minus y formula, sine x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now if we observe the RHS, here we have only tan x plus tan y. It means from this first term we need to get tan x. So tan means already we know sin divided by cos. Here already sin x is there, so I need to divide this sin x by cos x so that I will get tan x. But what about this cos y? Completely I need to remove this cos y. So what I will do, dividing by, here sin x is there, so compulsory I need to divide by cos x. Okay. Here cos y is there, so to remove that cos y, again I need to divide by cos y. So let us check now. The first term is sin x cos y, sin x cos y. I am dividing that by cos x cos y, cos x cos y, plus second term is cos x sin y. Again I am dividing this by cos x cos y whole divided by sin x cos y. Again I am dividing this by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y. I am dividing this also by cos x cos y. Every term I am dividing by cos x cos y. Now here cos y cancel, cos x cancel, cos y cancel, cos x cancel. So remains with sin x divided by cos x tan x plus sin y divided by cos y tan y whole divided by sin x by cos x tan x minus sin y by cos y tan y. Hence proved. Okay, let's look at the next question. Show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equals to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So what I am doing, I am taking first tan 3x and I am writing this tan 3x as tan of 2x plus x. Now this tan of 2x plus x is in the form of tan of a plus b. So what is the formula for tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b, that is tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, tan 2x tan x, which is equals to tan 3x. Now this total denominator I will take to the left side. 1 into tan 3x minus tan 2x into tan x into tan 3x. We will get tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equals to tan 2x plus tan x. Now this total term I will take to the right side and this total I will bring to the left side. Here tan 3x as it is, tan 3x plus tan 2x will become minus tan 2x plus tan x will become minus tan x, which is equals to, here minus tan 3x tan 2x tan x is there, so it will become plus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. Hence proved. Tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equals to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Okay, the next question is, prove that cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equals to root 2 cos x. Here pi by 4 it is in radians, so first I will convert that pi to degrees. Pi is nothing but 180, so pi by 4, that is 180 divided by 4, which is equals to 45 degrees. So in the place of pi by 4 I will substitute 45 degrees. So we get cos of 45 plus x plus cos of 45 minus x. Now if we observe this, cos of 45 plus x, this is in the form of cos of a plus b. So cos of a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we get cos 45 cos x minus sin 45 sin x plus, this is cos of 45 minus x, cos of a minus b formula. So cos a cos b, that is cos 45 cos x plus sin 45 sin x. Here minus sin 45 sin x plus sin 45 sin x will get cancelled. So we remains with cos 45 cos x plus cos 45 cos x. Cos 45 cos x plus cos 45 cos x, 2 into cos 45 cos x. 2 into cos 45, 1 by root 2 into cos x. This 2 I will write it as root 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2 times cos x. root 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with root 2 into cos x. Root 2 into cos x, hence proved. Okay, look at the next question. The question is, prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x whole divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equals to cot x. So which formula is involved in this? Cos x plus cos y formula. Cos x plus cos y formula. What is the formula for cos x plus cos y? Cos x plus cos y is equals to 2 into cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. This formula for the numerator. Then sin x minus sin y. What is the formula for that sin x minus sin y? Sin x minus sin y is equals to 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Here x means 7x, y means 5x. Now let us substitute in that. 2 as it is, cos x plus y by 2, that is 7x plus 5x by 2. 7x plus 5x by 2 into cos x minus y, it means 7x minus 5x. 7x minus 5x by 2 whole divided by sin x minus sin y now. So that is 2 into cos into x plus y by 2, that is 7x plus 5x by 2 into sin x by x minus y by 2, sin 7x minus 5x by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled, so still cos 7x plus 5x, 12x by 2. The same is there in denominator also, cos 7x plus 5x, 12x by 2. So total term will get cancelled. So we remains with cos 7x minus 5x, 2x by 2 divided by sin 7x minus 5x, 2x by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled, here 2 cancel. So we remains with cos in the numerator x divided by sin in the denominator x. So cos x divided by sin x is equals to cot x. So hence proved. Okay, let's move to the next question. The question is 2 into sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 and into cos square pi by 3, which is equals to 3 by 2. So here 2 as it is, sine square pi by 6 is nothing but sine pi by 6 whole square plus cosecant 7 pi by 6 whole square into cos of pi by 3 whole square. I'm sorry, here cos pi by 3 whole square. Now in the place of pi I will substitute 180 degrees. So in the place of pi, if we substitute 180 by 6, 180 by 6, that is 30 degrees. So I will write 2 into sine square 30 plus, again here in the place of pi I am substituting 180. 7 into 180 by 6, 6 ones are 6, 30 is also 210 degrees. That is cosecant square 210 degrees into, in the place of pi again 180. So 180 by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. So cos square 60 degrees. Now I will substitute the values. 2 into, what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 whole square plus, first we need to find the value of cosecant 210. Let us find it out. Cosecant 210, I am writing it as 180 plus 30. So cosecant 180 plus 30. So here 180 can be written as 2 into 90. So 2 is an even number. So cosecant won't change, as it is cosecant 30. Then whether it is plus or minus 210, which quadrant it comes for? 210, it comes for third quadrant. In third quadrant cosecant is negative, so minus cosecant 30. Anyway, for minus we are doing square, so obviously it will come again plus only, so no problem at all. That is cosecant 30 whole square into cos 60 whole square. Here 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, plus what is the value of cosecant 30? Um, 2. So 2 square into cos 60, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. We get 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. These two cancel. So we remains with 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. 3 divided by 2. Hence proved. Okay, the next question is show that or prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equals to 6. Again, in the place of pi, I will substitute 180 degrees. So 180 by 6, 30 degrees. So we will get cot 30 whole square plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 is there. So in the place of pi I am substituting 180. So 5 into 180 by 6, 6 1s are 6 30s are. So 5 into 30, 150 degrees. So cosecant 150 plus 3 into, here in the place of pi 180, 180 by 6 30. So 3 into tan 30 whole square. Now what is the value of cot 30? Root 3 whole square plus, let us find the value of cosecant 150. So this cosecant 150 I will write it as 90 plus 60. Now 90 is nothing but 1 into 90. So obviously this cosecant will change to secant. (60) and here 90 degrees means second quadrant. In the second quadrant cosecant is positive, so this is also positive. So secant 60 value is 2, so that 2 I am writing here, plus 3 into tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. Here square root and square cancel, so remains with 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 square, 3 cancel, so remains with 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Hence proved. The next question is find the value of sine 75 degrees. So this 75 I am writing it as 45 plus 30. Of course you can write it as 70 plus 5 also, 60 plus 15 also, but the only thing is that we don't know those values. Whereas here 45 30, whether it is maybe sine or cos, I know the value of that sine 45 or cos 45 or sine 30 or cos 30. So that's why I'm taking this 75 as 45 plus 30 only. Whereas in case if we take 75 as 70 plus 5, I don't know sine 70 value, I don't know cos 70 value, I don't know sine 5, I don't know cos 5. So what the values we know perfectly already, based on that I am writing 45 plus 30. Now this is in the form of sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b. What is the formula for sine of a plus b? Sine of a plus b is equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. In the place of a 45 degrees, in the place of b 30 degrees. Now let us substitute. Sine in the place of a 45, cos in the place of b 30, plus cos a is nothing but 45 into sine 30. Sine 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sine 30 1 by 2. If we do multiplication, 1 into root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1, 1, root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. If we observe here, both the denominators are same. So write it once, 2 root 2, and add the numerators, root 3 plus 1. Here root 3 is an irrational and 1 is rational, so we cannot simplify further. This is the value of sine 75 degrees. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, next question is find the value of tan 15 degrees. Again same, tan 15, I will write it as 45 minus 30. Here 45 degrees value I know, 30 degrees value also I know. Next, otherwise you can write it as 60 minus 45 also. 60 minus 45 again 15 only. So 60 you know, 45 also you know. So now this tan of 45 minus 30 is in the form of tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is nothing but tan a minus tan b whole divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Now let us substitute. Tan a is nothing but 45 degrees minus tan b, that is tan 30, whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30, which is equals to tan 45 1 minus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 1 into tan 30 1 by root 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 again. Next, numerator I am writing as it is, that is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by root 3 into 1, root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. Here root 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. This is the value of tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Okay, the next question is, show that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equals to 10. So first, in the place of pi, I will substitute 180 and I will simplify. So here 3 pi by 4 is there. So in the place of pi, I am substituting 180. So 3 into 180 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 45 are 3 into 45, 135. So we get here 2 into sine 135 whole square plus 2 into, here pi by 4 is there, pi by 4, that is 180 divided by 4 is nothing but 45. So cos 45 whole square plus 2 into secant pi by 3. Pi by 3, that is 180 divided by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. So secant 60 whole square. Now first let us find what is the value of sine 135 degrees. So sine 135, I am writing it as sine of 90 plus 45. Here 90 is 1 into 90. So 1 is an odd number. Sine will become cos. So cos 45. 135 belongs to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So this is also positive. Then cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. 2 into, in the place of sine 135, 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into secant 62 whole square. 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 square 4. Here 2 cancel, 2 cancel, so we remains with 1 plus 1 plus 2 4s are 8 So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. Hence proved. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.